This is a must-have pool gadget, AIPER Scuba S1 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. This cordless robotic pool cleaner is revolutionizing pool maintenance with its cutting-edge technology and intelligent design, ensuring effortless cleaning, perfect for in-ground pools, measuring up to 1600 square feet. This robotic cleaner comes from AIPER, a renowned brand known for its innovative pool cleaning solutions. The 2024 AIPER Scuba S1 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner effectively cleans the pool floor, walls, and waterline, making it essential for pond and pool owners. The AIPER Scuba S1 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner features a modern design that fits well in any pool. Made from durable lightweight materials, it offers easy handling and enhanced mobility with its caterpillar twist. Its side-mounted filter basket allows for quick and efficient debris disposal, enhancing convenience. Let's learn about the key features and specifications. The powerful suction and dynamic scrubbing abilities ensure top-notch cleaning performance for wall, floors, and waterline. WavePath Navigation 2.0 is an improved navigation system designed to optimize cleaning routes, minimizing overlaps and saving valuable time. Thanks to caterpillar twist, this cleaner offers exceptional mobility, enabling it to effortlessly maneuver through drains, steps, and corners. It features 4 cleaning modes that provide options for auto, eco, floor-only, and wall-only settings. Its battery life is decent, allowing for cordless operation and convenient charging through a rubber-plugged transformer. Warranty includes a 2-year product protection plan for your peace of mind. Users of the AIPER Scuba S1 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner commend its strong cleaning performance and user-friendly setup. Additionally, refer positive feedback for the side-mounted filter basket highlights its ability to effectively eliminate various types of debris, while the WavePath Navigation 2.0 enhances its cleaning route for improved efficiency. Due to its outstanding cleaning capabilities, customizable modes, and exceptional maintenance performance, we highly recommend clicking on the description and proceeding to purchase one for yourself. Now don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more updates and reviews. Stay tuned for more.